Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, today's Accenture examination was one of the toughest exam among the exam which is conducted by Accenture in the last 3-4 days. So you should and must solve today's paper to understand the difficulty level which is coming in future from the Accenture. Also friends, so here we are going to solve networking related application, common application problem, right? So a lot of things we are going to do, a lot of questions we are going to solve in this particular videos. So please do watch the video till the end. Okay, now let us start with question number 1. So friends, choose a number that is similar to the number given in the set. Okay, now as soon as you will see the question in examination, it's very difficult to get the logic, right? Some of you might start subtracting, some of you might start adding, some of you might start multiplication, division, this kind of things you will start doing, and you will be getting almost 1 minute for one question, right? Okay, now so here the logic is, so you add first and third number like 4 plus 9 and subtract 10 from it. So 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 minus 10 is 3. Okay, and that is your middle number, right? Okay, same logic here. So add 7 plus 5 first and third number and subtract 10 from it. So 12 minus 10 will be nothing but 2, and that is nothing but your middle number. Okay, then 9 plus 2 is 11, subtract 10 from it, so you get 1, and 1 is nothing but the middle number, right? Okay, same logic you have to apply. Now you see 8 plus 5 will be 13, and 13 minus 10, 3. So 3 should be your middle number, it's not there, option 1 is wrong. 7 plus 7 is 14 and subtract 10, so we are getting 4, 4 should be your middle number, it's not there. Then 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 minus 10 will be 0. 0 should be your middle number, it's not there. Now 9 plus 2 is 11, and if you subtract 10 from it, you are getting 1, and that is your middle number. Yes, that means, so this particular number 219 belongs to this set, right? So choose a number that is similar to the number given in the set. Okay, now question number 2. So I don't think many of you would have solved this question in the examination. The logic is quite weird here. Okay, let us say. So friends, so 3, 7, 27 minus 63. So basically 3 is there, 7 is there, and then there will be a value. It's very difficult to figure it out. The value will be negative or positive. Okay, but anyway, so the first difference is nothing but 4. So 3 plus 2 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square. So 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. The next is 7 minus 4 square. Okay, so basically I have solved this question, and now I am going to tell you. So I took some time. Okay, so I took almost some 50 seconds to solve this question, and definitely in exam you'll be getting 1 minute, because this kind of questions, no, logic is getting, the logic is very very important, and practice is very much required. So 7 minus 16 will be nothing but minus 9. See, what I did is basically I put the values here, and then I try to understand the pattern. Okay, similar way you also have to do. Now minus 9 plus 2, 4, and then 6 square. So minus 9 plus 36 will give you 27. Okay, now see, it's not very very difficult, but you should know how should we attempt this question. So that is very very important. Then 27 minus 8 square, because the next value is negative. So 27 minus 64 is nothing but, here you will be getting minus 37. Okay, now minus 37 plus 10 square. Okay, so minus 37 plus 100 will be getting 63, right? So the answer will become minus 9, which is the correct answer here. And this was one of the wonderful question which was asked in the examination. Okay, now friends, many of you might not have cleared the first round of Accenture exam, right? So we have started a aptitude and reasoning workshop, and that's only in 149 rupees. Okay, so you can join the classes from any time. Recording is already available. So today also we have a class, so you can join it today 7 to 8 p.m. we have the class only in 149 rupees, friends. Aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop. So here you will be getting an idea that what will be the difficulty level, how you can approach to the question, how you can use the short tricks in the examination. So all those things will be taught in the class. The link will be in description. Do check it out. Now friends, so question number 3, again getting the logic is difficult here. That's the reason I'm asking you to attend the class. Now 6, 12, 12, 8, 16, what and here 19.2. So let me use some other color here. Now, so friends, basically, so here division and multiplication will go hand in hand. So 6 divided by, okay, so I think we need different marker, or maybe we will use here 6 divided by 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2, so 2 will come up, so it is nothing but 12. Okay, so the first is nothing but 6 divided by 0.5, okay, is nothing but 12. Then the next will be 12 into 1 is 12. See this one, you see, so 12 into 1, this you see 8 into 2. So there is a series going on, right? Okay, now, so again from 12 to 8, so what you have to do, you have to divide by 1.5, 0.5 and now 1.5, so it will become 8. Fine. Okay, now, so next is 8 into 2, that we have already got it. Okay, now next is 16 divided by 2.5. So basically 0.5 into 1, 1.5 into 2, 2.5. So this will give you 6.4. Okay, so 6.4, and next will be multiplied by 3. So 6.4 into 3 will be nothing but 19.2. 19.2. So basically the answer which you are looking for is nothing but 6.4. Option C is the correct answer, and definitely it's not a easy sum here. Next, so next we have 1, we have 3, we have 9, we have 33, we have 153, and we have what? Okay, friends, I would like to tell you, for all the number series problem, no, see this all these questions are from the one shift question. Okay, so, and we will be also solving from the previous shift questions as well. Friends, for all these questions, definitely getting the logic is very, very important, and there might be more than one logic for a question, so it's not mandatory that whatever logic I am getting, you are also getting the same logic, but in any case answer should be same. Now here if you'll see, the difference is 2. Here if you'll see, the difference is 6. Here if you'll see, the difference is 24, right? Here if you'll see, the difference is, so basically 120, right? Okay, now, so this you see, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 5 is 120. That means into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. Now again, getting the logic is not so easy here. Then 3, 7 and 8. 873 will be the correct answer, right? So these are the question, friends, which you have to solve in the exam. Now, friends, before moving to the next question, I wanted to tell you, friends, okay, so if you are a graduate of 2021, 2022, 2023 in BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, BBA and BCom, and if you wanted to get a job in software development, right, IT industry, then you can register for the free online session. Okay, so this is completely free. The link will be given in description, and it is on Wednesday 26th of July 2023 at 5 p.m. Don't forget, don't miss. Okay, because from here you will be able to understand like what are the job roles in software development, how you can get a better salary in software development. Just register for free and then you can decide it. Remember the date, 26th of July 5 p.m. and the link is in description. Next, friends, next problem is, what is the percentage of rejected items produced in the factory? And this is a data sufficiency problem. Okay, so this is the data sufficiency problem. So the ratio of number of rejected items. Okay, so basically they wanted the percentage of rejected items. So they wanted the percentage of rejected item you have to tell. Okay, now, so let us take the statement 1. So the ratio of rejected, okay, the ratio of number of rejected to the number of accepted item is 4:7. We have to find the percentage of rejected item. So friends, in front of rejected it is 4, okay, and total is nothing but 11, 4 plus 7, right? And if we have to calculate the percentage, multiply by 11, right? So that means out of total 11, we have 4 this rejected items, okay, and if you multiply by 100, you will be getting the answer, right? Okay, so statement 1 will be able to tell you the answer, right? See, in ratio, it's given in ratio, not required to get the values. The reason is, friends, suppose if rejected is 400 and if accepted is 700, right? And now if you have to calculate the percentage of rejected, so you will put 400 divided by 700 into 100. So this 20, this 20 will get cancelled. Agreed or not? So if it is in ratio, then you don't have to worry. Okay, you can easily calculate the percentage, because even if the value is given, you will be getting the same percentage, right? You see 4 by 7 into 100, here also 4 by 7 into 100, right? See, they might give you rejected is equal to 800 and accepted is equals to 1400. Then also you will be getting the same answer, because the ratio of this is nothing but 4:7. Okay, this if you understand, then the problem will become very very easy. Now statement 2. Statement 2, what they're telling, the number of accepted item purchased, so accepted item produced, sorry, is 3525. So the number of accepted we got. Now rejected is not given, that means we cannot calculate the percentage. Even the total is not given, right? The total is not given, rejected is not given, so we will not be able to solve using the statement 2. So statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer this question. Okay, this should be clear to you. Next, find the odd one out. So friends, we have also kept the problems on which was conducted on 21st of July. Okay, so now 30, we have 42, we have 58, we have 72, we have 90, and we have 120. So the difference is 12, the difference is 16, the difference is 14. Okay, uh, and the difference is 18, and the difference is 20. So basically it should have 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. But here only some problem happened, right? So here only some problem happened, right? So here it should be at least 44. So here if it will be 44, then sorry, no, here it is fine. So the problem is here, right? So here if it is 56, right? So here if it is 56, then the difference will become 14, right? And then the difference will become 16. That means the problem is where? The problem is with 56, right? So the problem is like 58. So if 58 will be 56, right? If 58 will be 56, then it is 12, then it is 14, then it is 16, then it is 18, then it is 20. That means the culprit is nothing but this 58. Okay, so mark the odd one out. So the odd one out is nothing but 58. Okay, 58 if you will correct, then you will be able to get the proper series. So they are asking, find, mark the odd one out, or they might also tell you mark the wrong number in the series, right? So anything is fine. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now next problem, friends, complete the comparison. So we have south, we have northeast. Okay, so now this question can be solved using direction. So north, east, south, and west. Okay, so north, east, south, and west. So south is here, and where is northeast? So northeast will be in this direction, right? Okay, so friends, clockwise if we'll see, so clockwise nothing but it is 225 degree. Okay, 225 degree. Now so next they're telling north. So north is where? North is here. Okay, now from the north, and then we have to find out the missing one here. So clockwise 225 degrees. So this is 180 and 180 plus 45. That means this direction. So this direction will be nothing but southwest. So southwest means option B will become the correct answer. Clear? Done. Operation is performed by ALU. Friends, ALU is nothing but arithmetic and arithmetic and logical unit, right? Arithmetic and logical unit. So all this data manipulation like addition, subtraction, square root, exponential, so anything with respect to data, this ALU will be able to take that, right? So all of this, so square root, exponential, data manipulation, so everything, this, see, a computer will be able to perform, right? A computer will be able to perform square root, right? So a computer will be able to perform exponential things. A computer will be able to perform all this addition, subtraction, right? So ALU is the part who will be taking care of all these activities. Now physical or logical arrangement of network is, so a network topology, so basically the answer is topology. Okay, and now let us read the explanation also here. So a network topology is the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connection in a network. Okay, fine. When were VPN introduced in the commercial world? Friends, VPN is what? Virtual private network, right? So it's nothing but virtual private network. So VPN was introduced in 1996. So that is nothing but late 90s, right? So late 90s. Earliest 90s means 1991, 1992, right? But it is not like this. So it was introduced in the late 90s. So this particular option will become your correct answer, right? Okay. So if O is equals to 16, FOR is equals to 42, then what is the code for front? Okay, now, so friends, O. So always remember EJOT, right? EJOT. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, right? Okay. So O is what? 15. So basically what they have done here, so they have coded +1. Okay, they have coded +1. So F is what? F is 6. So we have to increase by 1. Okay. Now O is 15. So we have to increase by 1. T is 20. So R will be 18 and S will be 19. Okay. Now, so 18 plus 1. So here it is 7 plus 16 plus 19. 35 plus 7 is 42. Okay. Now, so F we have already got, my dear friends, 7. R we have already got, it is 18 plus 1, 19. O we have already got, it is 16. Now T is 20, so 20 plus 1, 21. And then N. So O is 15, so N will be nothing but 14. So 14 plus 1 is 15. Now if you add everything, right, friends, N is 14, so 14 plus 1. You have to take one letter extra. So 35 and 7, 42 anyway. 42 plus 516213. So this will be 78. Is there any option? Yes, option D. So option D will become the correct answer. Friends, like this, I will be teaching you in the live classes as well. So please do join this aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop. And the whatever the classes are there, the recordings will be there. So even if you are not able to attend, you will be getting recording on daily basis, and you will be able to learn a lot of things in this particular class. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that all these hirings, preparation related videos, everything you will be getting through our channel. Now, unit of computer which is capable of performing arithmetic, logic, and data manipulation. Sometime back only I told you, right here. So ALU will be able to do arithmetic and logic unit. So it will do all the data manipulation, right? Addition it will do, subtractions it will do, right? Same thing they're asking. So basically you can say this question was repeated, right? So unit of computer which is capable of performing arithmetic, logical. See name itself, ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Okay, and data manipulation. Now, friends, so this is one question which was asked in again reasoning, and this comes under critical reasoning, where most of the students will be quite confused. Okay, and see the answer which has been ticked here is also wrong. Okay, now, so gambling through lotteries is banned by central government in the states with the immediate effect. Friends, one thing which you understand before we solve. Okay, see gambling only the government has banning, right? See gambling through the lotteries only government is banning, but there are lot of other things, right? Through that, the gambling is happening. Like if you'll cricket, so by the cricket betting, right? Football betting, hockey betting. So there are a lot of things are there. Okay, now, so what is the assumption? If government is banning the gambling through the lotteries, right, then government definitely wanted his public, right? Government definitely wanted the public should not waste their money in the gambling, or they should not. See gambling is such a bad habit. You might sell your house, you might sell your anything, right? So you might sell your wife's jewelries sometimes. Okay, so anything. So government just wanted in the public interest that okay, public should not lose their money by at least through this gambling, because it has a very bad habit, and it's addictive. Okay, now, but government is only banning gambling now, so government is not looking into the other aspects. Okay, these are the two things. Now, what is the assumption? So this may save innocent citizens from getting cheated of their hard-earned money. Yes, so he is doing for the citizens only, for the public interest only. The citizens may not gamble in any other way if the lotteries are banned. No. See, if lotteries are banned means cricket betting they might do. Football betting they might do, right? So citizen may not gamble. We cannot say that, right? So this is not a assumption. Okay. See, this is a if they will put okay, the citizens will not gamble through this lotteries, then this will be correct. Okay, this will be implicit. But they might not gamble in any other ways. No, that is not implicit here. Okay, so that can happen. So assumption one is implicit. Clear? Okay, now in computer ALU can perform. So now this is the third question on ALU. So In a computer aided you can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, all of this. Yes, all of this. Okay, fine. Then, so here a student can, this is again critical reasoning part. Okay, so a student are punished if they come late in the class. Reena was punished in the class. Okay, now, so Reena came late in the class, right? See, if students are coming late in the class, they are getting punished. Okay, and Reena was punished in the class, so definitely Reena would have come late, and that's the reason Reena was punished. So your answer will become true here. Now, what is the shortcut key to start a presentation from the beginning? So you can only open a PPT, you can press F5, function 5, right? So you will be able to see the PPT will start from the beginning. Okay, I will show you something. Okay, so I'll discard it here. Now, so friends, if you press it here, it will, I mean, from the current slide, you will be able to see in the full screen, right? But if you press F5, okay, I will press it for you, but again it will go to the very much beginning. So if will just a minute, right? See, so it went to the beginning. So from 20th July, whatever questions we had solved, so it went there when I pressed F5, right? Okay, so I hope that will be also clear. So F5 will become the correct answer. So let me select the marker here. Okay, fine, clear. Okay, next. Friends, generally businessmen are clever. Generally, businessmen are clever. Ram is a businessman. See, they're telling generally businessman is clever, but generally means they can say, okay, 80% of the businessmen are clever. Okay, or 90% of the businessmen are clever. Now, Ram is a businessman. Okay, so Ram is clever. Conclusion, Ram is clever. No, that might not happen, because Ram might belong from the remaining 10%. Okay, so that is not 100% true, right? See, it might or might not happen. But if you say Ram is clever, no. Ram is clever 100%, no. That we cannot say that Ram is 100% clever, because Ram might not or might not be. Because Ram might come into the 90%, or Ram might come into the 10%. Okay, so that we don't know. So we cannot say anything about that. Okay, so here it will come can't say. Now, next, if reason is coded as, so I'll write down here. So if reason, okay, so if reason is coded as 5, if believed, so if believed is coded as 7, and then govern, okay, government, then government will be coded as what? Now, friends, so you see number of letters 6, 6 minus 1 is here. Now 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 1 is here, and then 5 and 5, 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. Okay, so your answer will become 9. Option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay, now again from the abstract reasoning, okay, so friends, which of the following option will replace the question mark to complete the given figure matrix? Okay, now, so here one star, after that one dot. So the second image which is there, it's repeated again. Okay, and then it is repeated twice. Second image is this, so it is repeated once, it is repeated twice. Okay, then second image is this, it is repeated. Okay, so it is repeated once, and here it will be repeated basically twice. Okay, so basically 3, and this one bigger one. So anyway, there is only one image, so this was very, very simple. So you could have marked option 1. Now, network congestion occurs. Friends, when network congestion will occurs, see, if you'll say that network, or you say that people congestion occurs. Okay, when it is occurs, when traffic will be more. Vehicle congestion occurs, so that means vehicle are more. Okay, so when network congestion will occur, in case of traffic overloading, right? So when there are a lot of traffic are there, right? So that time this network congestion will occur, right? All when system terminates, no. When connection between two nodes terminates, no. In case of transfer failure, no. Okay, so in case of traffic overloading. Now, so friends, I hope this was clear to you. And if you like this, the video, please do like and share with your friends. So we are doing a lot of things on our channel. So do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that you'll be getting all the updates on our channel itself. You don't have to go anywhere else. Thank you. Take care, and all the very, very best, my dear friends.